how to refund on Oopbuy. So pretty much depends on what situation you have. So directly you should be able to do most of it in your Oopbuy account. So there are information over here that will tell you specifically your situation. So on basically what sub order status it is. So first is the waiting payment. So this status indicates that the order has not been paid and they have not received your payment. So you can just cancel the order directly. Just go ahead directly into the user section, go to your orders, and just cancel the order you want. And the next one is order placed. So this status means the order has successfully been placed, but the seller has not yet shipped the item. If you require a refund, you can contact customer service to initiate the refund process, as the refund requires the seller's approval. And the seller needs to review the refund request. It typically takes 3 to 5 business days for the refund to be processed after approval. So follow that information, which is contact customer service. It should be directly over here. And next is ship. There isn't much you can do about this because, as it says, it is on their way to their warehouse and refunds cannot be requested at this stage. So you're gonna have to wait until it is at the arrived at the warehouse option, which is this one. Same with the delivered. Refunds are temporarily unavailable at that point. So you're gonna have to wait until the order status updates to arrive at warehouse, as same as the shipped one. So once it does arrive at the warehouse, refunds for orders in this status are subject to the return and refund policy. The platform allows returns and refunds for eligible items only and have been in the warehouse for no more than 5 days. If the item you ordered carries any of the following labels, it indicates that returns or exchange are not supported after purchases unless there is a quality issue. For items with verified quality issues, the windows to apply for a return refund will be extended accordingly. If a quality issue is confirmed, even if the item originally carried a non-returnable label, a return or refund can still be requested. And for eligible returnable items without quality issues, a return shipping fee and handling fee will be deducted when processing your return refund request. So if you take a look at this picture, you should be able to see no returns or exchange. Depending on what item, so that will let you know beforehand if you can do this. But there are some that you can refund, so just go ahead and check beforehand. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.